Hello, my dear students. Very, very good morning. Okay, I wish you to be very happy and healthy. I hope that all of you are watching the videos on YouTube. Please follow the videos. Very soon you are going to face midterm exam. English falls on 6th December 2020, Sunday. Maybe, no. Well, sorry, it is for second PUC. I am deeply involved in second PUC. It is why the concept, words, exam dates all belong to second PUC only. So sorry. So 6th December, actually my second PU students face the midterm exam. You are going to face the midterm exam very soon. I will give the syllabus in my next session. First of all, my duty is to complete this Watchman of the Lake lesson. It is a play. It is very, very important. And I will give 3 more revision sessions. Then you can understand all things very easily. Actually, I am very happy that I can teach first PU students this year. I never taught this one in my life. It is the first time. I am the luckiest. I feel very happy indeed to teach these all things in this year itself. Now, today you are going to understand the lesson, The Watchman of the Lake. It is a lengthy lesson. Story is wonderful, but dialogues are very tough indeed. Okay, don't worry about any kind of exam. I am here. You never should have fear. Don't worry. Today, I am going to teach Watchman of the Lake, lesson number, chapter number 8. Chapter number 8. Okay. This Watchman of the Lake is a play, drama, full of dialogues. First of all, we will come to know the characters. Later, we will come to know these stages. There are 5 scenes in this play. Some people say scenes plural is there, some people say no, scenes plural word is there in English. But according to me, it is left to you. You can take 5 scenes or 5 scenes, it is left to you. I don't give my approval for any one of these two, I approve both. Okay, now. Watchman of the Lake characters are dramatis personae. The page number in your textbook is page number 59. Page number 59. You can find this lesson in your textbook, page number 59. Dramatis personae, village headman, king, Mara, watchman of the lake, Ganga, his son. And there is no name for the son of Ganga, Ganga's son, Bhima, a laborer and a road worker and others. Now, this story is about what? About who? Means this story is about a watchman of the lake. Lake means where this tank or this dam, tank, that's all. Okay. This watchman of the lake is a real story, not a fake story. It is a real story which took place in Karnataka nearly 1,000 years ago, where Sakrepatna, a big town indeed, not a city, big town, where on the eastern base of Baba Budangiri Hills, Baba Dattatreya Padukas are there. Baba Budangiri Hills in Karnataka state, there is one town, Sakrepatna. In that Sakrepatna was the kingdom of the king Rukmangada. Rukmangada was ruling our Karnataka nearly 1,000 years ago. And there is a shrine. Shrine means a temple. Temple means purely reserved for gods. Shrine, temple. Temple means for gods. Shrine means
human beings can become gods, it is called a worshipping place. Shrine can be called to any kind of worshipping place, that is called a shrine. There is one lake. Lake means a tank or a dam or this saved water area, lake, stream, you take anything, no problem. There is one lake, that the name of the lake is Ayanakere. So Ayanakere is in Sakrepatna, just 4 to 5 miles away in the center of this one, Ayanakere, one lake. Now also it is existing there itself. You can go and see whenever you feel free. Then, nearly 1,000 years ago, this story took place. This story can be said in one line that, see, in the center of this one, see, here, in this town called, okay, in the center of this town, which town? Sakrepatna, there is a shrine, holy place. Shrine means worshipping place, holy place. In a shrine which is dedicated not to a distant god. This is very, very important. Purely this place is not reserved for gods, but one human also is treated as a god. It is why that person is called Mara. His name is Mara. This person is this place, Ayanakere area. This shrine, it is not reserved for God, but for he or heroes, great heroes. No, this place is not reserved for purely gods or heroes, but for a rustic. Rustic means the adjective word, different word. Rustic means already some dust, it has started to decay. But here rustic means an ordinary man. How an ordinary watchman called Mara is treated as a god in this place, Ayanakere lake. There is a shrine or temple for this person. How this ordinary watchman is treated as a god in this place, it is the main theme of this lesson or play. See, how who was watchman of the lake called Ayanakere 4 miles from the town, how this person is treated as a god. Now to this shrine or temple or holy place is there near the Ayanakere within the center of this town. This is Sakrepatna on the eastern base of Baba Budangiri hills. Next, see, this is story about a watchman. What is the name of the watchman? Mara. Then, he is the reason, he is not creating, he is the main reason for the creation, for the existence, for building this lake, Ayanakere lake, 1,000 years ago. He is the reason, he is the man who is responsible for creating this lake at that Ayanakere lake or Sakrepatna town. Next, how he saved the lake. That means how he was protecting the lake, how he was taking care of that lake, Ayanakere lake. This is one of the things. Saving the lives of the kingdom. How an ordinary man could save thousands of people's lives in that kingdom when this Rukmangada was ruling this kingdom. This is the main thing. Next, how an ordinary man becomes like a god in that near that lake Ayanakere, it is explained. How Mara sacrificed his life, how Mara died for the sake of his own kingdom, fellows or people. It is the best thing what we must learn from this play. He died for saving thousands of his kingdom fellows. He saved the life. If he did not sacrificed his life that day, thousands of people would have died because of some danger. This is the main thing. It is why this watchman Mara sacrificed his life to save the lives of this kingdom. It is why now too he is treated as a god. It is why title of this one is Watchman of the Lake. Mara. How Mara attained the godship? It is explained in this one. This one is called what lesson? A short story or an essay? No. This lesson is called play. Play means what? Drama. Drama. How many scenes are there? 5 scenes are there. Then each scene is a link to the next scene, and there are so many actions in every scene. First scene contains so many actions. Fourth scene contains so many actions. This scene changes with so many actions and activities. Now, what are there in each and every scene? Means there are 5 scenes. First scene says how Mara tried to inform all about God's order. In the first scene, he tried his best to inform all the village people about his dream to construct a dam over the river Veda. It is how he tried his best to inform all. He tried. His efforts are explained. In the second one, how Mara met the king. In the next scene, in the same village, how Mara tried his best to meet the king. How Mara was successful in meeting the king. It is explained in scene number 2. Third one, this Mara was appointed the watchman of the lake by the king. Then he was guarding, he was watching, he was taking care of this lake called Ayanakere, and he was very dedicated in protecting, saving this lake. Suddenly, when the danger starts to take place in the end of scene number 3, what is that danger? It is explained in the scene number 4. In the scene number 4, there is a meeting in the midnight between the king and Mara, way in front of the palace. On a rainy day, dangerous day, hurricane day, this Mara and the king were meeting. What was the meeting? What was discussed? This is explained in this scene. Finally, what decision was taken by this Mara to die? He was ready to die, sacrifice his life. Can you believe? Because of the death of this person, thousands of people could be alive. What is the contact, connection, link between Mara's death and the lives of thousands of people in that kingdom, including the king, could be alive? How? It is explained in the 4. In the scene number 5, it is explained or it is expressed in this play the appearance of the shrine or temple where the idol of Mara is there, where the idol of the goddess of this lake it is there. 2 idols are there. Brief information, not exclusive one. Brief means short. So many students have different opinion. Brief means in full. No, brief means like write a brief story, write a short story, write a brief story means big story. So it is not English at all. Now a shrine has been built. Now temple has been built for the sake of this Mara, for sacrificing his life, for saving his fellow kingdom's life. It is why this is explained the appearance of this temple in this one. So, my dear students, I want to teach in this scene this day. Next, this first session. In the next session, I will teach scene number 1. later 2 and 3, finally 4 and 5. It is a lengthy. The play contains so many different actions and dialogues, jokes. It is why I want to teach any scene this day. It is a brief introduction and to understand the theme of the play, the watchman of the lake. Next, I will explain this one.